music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
So I'm in Walmart and there is something that hurts my heart. Well, actually there's two things that hurt my heart. Every time I come to these like big box stores and I come to the garden section, this is just so depressing. It's so depressing. Let me show y'all. Look at this. Look how they're just like dying. Now, if I was to go and pinch this, if I was to pinch, they say I was wrong. But look how they're just like killing these plants and letting them die like a slow, painful death. Oh, the other thing that gets on my nerves is they're marking everything foliage. Just foliage. Yeah, it's not really, anything, just foliage. Hold on. Oh, look, even right here. Well, no, these come from an actual company and they have their name on it. Well, these ivies are pretty. Oh my goodness. Well, guess who found their new home? Hi, little succulent. Look at it. Just look. It's a disgrace. Look at this section. First of all, there's like nothing here. But look, it's not hard to find the name of this. Like, come on, guys. Just foliage. Nothing too much. And these just say succulent. Like, come on. And this is why people come purchase brand new plants and they don't know what they're getting. They're just like, oh, it looks pretty. Or, oh, it's cheap. So I'm just going to get some foliage. Come on, help people out. Tell them exactly what they're getting to make this easier. Look at this. This is disgraceful. Like, I have to help at least some of them out and sit them up. And it's because they're so dry. Look, I picked that one up and it fell right back over. They're so dry. So dry. Oh, fell right back over. Like, what does this say? Oh, that's the Eugenia. But see, the ones like this grapefruit tree, who is flowering. Oh, I kind of want to take that home. I kind of want to take it home. I'm not going to lie. Or at least like pinch. Just that part right there. But yeah, this is my depressing Walmart. I mean, there's some, bells or swans in the middle of all the black ducks. But look, even though it's a grapefruit tree, look, it's just not being taken care of. Let me take this home. I have a good home for this. Oh, this is gonna hurt y'all hearts. Look at this. Just look at them. But I'd be wrong if I take one of these little stems home. I would be wrong. But yeah, that's it. That's my rant for today. Y'all have a good day. Make good decisions. Love you, cousins. Bye. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.